All right, here we are. We're at Gutbuster. This is Steve with Getting Fresh Air. We're at Stony Lonesome today. I think if you watched our previous video, which we'll put up here, when we last came to Stony, we were doing the 404 and the switchbacks, which are two other badge of honor trails. And at the time, Gutbuster was impassable because at the top there was some really rough areas. So unless you're highly modified or had a winch that you wanted to winch over a 5-foot wall, you couldn't make it up Gutbuster. But about a month ago, Stony regraded some of the trail, so we're here today. We're on the start of Gutbuster. We're going to take a walk up this and check it out, and then we're going to drive it, and hopefully this will be a good report to you guys to see how well Gutbuster is actually looking now that they regraded it. Getting over to Gutbuster, obviously we had to check out some other trails while we're in the park. Looks like it worked out. Switchback was also recently regraded, and you can see by the insert picture from when we did switchback back in the springtime that the trail conditions have really changed and smoothed out.
Yeah, this is way graded out. This ain't fun no more. Yeah, this is way graded out. This ain't fun no more. Stop backing up and go hard past me. You got plenty of room. Alright, okay, hot driver. Whoa, hot driver. There you go. A lot easier when there's no monsoon. Right.
Dump me out of here?
Oh, now you know how I feel. Like, why are you holding on? What's wrong? Oh, you're trying to dump me out the door?
Well, I am trying to dump you out the door.
Now I understand.
There's an area in the park that they've named Little Moab where you can do a little bit of rock bouncing. People that have been out west to the actual Moab have said that this area really resembles a lot of what you see out there, and it's a good place if you've never been out to the real Moab to come and do a little bit of rock crawling, so you know what to expect once you get out west.
Back tire. Clear.
Okay, straighten your wheels out. Nice, one's gonna drop. There you go. Let's drive out.
Back tire's dropping. You're clear.
Nicely done, sir. Okay, your front passenger's going to drop. Back tires coming down. There you go. All right, Nero, slow, slow, slow. There you go. In. Okay, back's coming down. Okay, passenger's gonna drop. Okay, hard driver. No, right there, straight ahead. Keep coming. Come forward. Got a little passenger. Back tire's coming down. Your back passenger's going to drop. All right, you good? Little passenger. Yeah, stay on that line. Got a little driver. More. There you go. Go straight at me. All right. Front passenger's going to start dropping. You good? There you go. Go little passenger. Okay. You good? Drive out. I'll let you know. All right, you're going to start coming down now on the back passenger. Down.
What you thinking?
We're thinking we're going to take their word for it and say it's good. Because that's the point where I'm like, I think this is where I got last time.
I was gonna
And
say,
I was like, I don't need to see that big old shelf. I'm not going to be able to get over.
yeah. I guess, I mean, it's steep, but it looks great and okay. It's just steep and loose. What's that?
It's very steep.
Steep, loose. I guess they're looking at the shelf at the top.
I don't know what they're doing. I'm guessing they're just walking.
A few moments later.
Go, 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 gas. Here's a dash cam view from inside the vehicle to give you that perspective. There are a few smaller rocks to get over at the bottom, but once you get past those, it's pretty much smooth sailing from there.
Keep that speed and get all the way.
Okay.
One, I'm out of breath from walking up Gutbuster, filming all this for everybody. But here we are at the top. You can see this little bump here, next one down there, but I believe this one here is where that really bad shelf used to be and where they've regraded it now, and there's, other than a little bump, there's no shelf at the top of Gutbuster anymore. And then here we are at the very top, kind of a parking area. We got 4 of us in here, no problem. More than 4, you'd be having to string vehicles down the trail a little bit more. But we did it. Four Jeeps up, nice dry day. It's only been, hasn't rained in probably 2-3 weeks or so, so it's nice and dry. If it was wet, muddy, just rained, this may be an issue. We hope you enjoyed our video overview of Gutbuster from October of 2022. Trail conditions are always changing, so always make sure you check in with the front desk when you're entering the park and ask them about what the current conditions are. And as always, like and subscribe, and we'll see you out there getting fresh air.